Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Bizee with ZenBusiness. So let's get right into it. So both platforms offer a simple online filling, but Bizee is known for its quick, straightforward process with a clean dashboard. ZenBusiness, on the other hand, provides a more guided experience with additional compliance support. So if you want a fast, no-frill setup, go for Bizee. But if you need a step-by-step assistance, ZenBusiness is a great choice. So ZenBusiness also has a better ongoing business tools like annual report, filling, and operating agreement templates. On the other hand, Bizee includes a free registered agent service for the first year. And if you talk about pricing, so Bizee is basically starts at $0 per state fee, which is the basic plan, and it goes up to $299, which is a one-time payment program. And if you talk about ZenBusiness, it also starts at $0, the basic plan, and it goes up to $299 per year. And you can compare the features as you can see on the given screen, which can help you choose better. So if you'll ask me which one should I suggest, so I'll say if you want a fast, affordable LLC formation with a free first year registered agent, definitely go for Bizee. But if you need a comprehensive business support and worry-free compliance, go for Zen Business because that's a better choice. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.